Code Red, Bios Baptist Church. Code Red, Bios Baptist Church. Good morning, Bios Baptist Church. Today I will be reviewing to you the fire safety manual and protocols for this entire facility. As you can see, we have two fire exits, one right here and one right here, and we have a grill. So seeing that there is a grill on this campus, we do want to be aware that a grill anywhere poses a fire hazard when people fail to follow these rules right here. It says, hold on, fires must be contained in the grill. That's the most one. Keep all flammables at least 10 feet away from the grill. Tents and canopies are not permitted. Barbecuing is only permitted in the grilling area. Open fires, ground fires, and propane use are prohibited. Do not use trash barrel or wood as grill stands. Do not move dining tables or chairs. Do not eat in the prayer garden. Watch your children. Extinguish grills afterwards and clean up afterwards. So, if you do not do any of these, this can pose a serious fire hazard for Bios Baptist Church. But if you do ever in the event have a fire, you're okay. We got you covered. As you do notice, we do have these ropes that surround the facility. So just simply running out in all 8 cardinal existing directions of a circle is impossible. There are controlled exits everywhere. What you would want to do is push open the fire exit in the event you ever hear this message. Code Red, Bios Baptist Church, South Gate. Code Red, Bios Baptist Church, South Gate. So what a code red is fire. If you're ever on this campus and you hear code red, which means fire, run to the nearest exit. Fire exits are usually marked with big burling signs that says, fire exit only, do not block. You never want to block a fire exit, not with even the smallest object. This is unacceptable. And this, oh God, no, is unacceptable. You would never get out of here with your life if you ever put anything this heavy in front of a fire exit. And these ropes are heavy duty and hard to slip under and cut. Also razor sharp so that they'll dig into your skin if you try to go barge through them. So you cannot run through the ropes safely. Don't block the fire exits. Keep them clear. Just like this. If the fire door is locked, use your foot. If the fire door is locked and you are unable to lift the gate, which the south sally port is usually locked and secured with a top locking mechanism, push on it with your hand and it will come free. And it will throw to the side like this. This is a fire operation. When it is in fire operation, it would usually open like this. This is what the fire door should look like when this door is in fire mode. And then escape through here.